Alright, so we've all heard of ChatGPT by now, with it practically being a household name as it's a super helpful assistant and all that it can do. But recently, there's been an AI model called DeepSeek that's been making massive waves.
And do you know what else is massive?
So as an average consumer, you're probably wondering, like, what is DeepSeek exactly? It just came out of nowhere, it's getting all of this attention and hype, so let me explain it very simply. Okay, let's start from the basics. DeepSeek is an AI model. For those of you who don't know, that's basically a program that's been trained on a bunch of data, and it uses that knowledge to answer questions, generate things, and run tasks. More specifically, DeepSeek is a large language model. Essentially, it's designed to sort of talk to us in a more human-like way. They're really meant for more text-based tasks and are trained on a lot of data, unlike some other AI models. Now, knowing all of this, you might be wondering, okay, how is this any different than ChatGPT? Well, it's not. ChatGPT is also a large language model, but here is where it starts to get interesting. If you've used ChatGPT before, you know that it's free. But let's say you want to analyze complex things, you want it to be smarter, well, you can get that for around $20 a month. Let's take it a step higher. Let's say you're a power user who really likes to analyze a lot of numbers, you want it to do specific tasks, you want it to be the most capable, unrestricted, top tier version, then you can get that for $200 a month. And that is expensive. It would be nice if somebody came along with performance that is very similar to ChatGPT's best, but for free. Do you see where this is going? So look, DeepSeek not only offers its services for free without a paywall for consumers, but it's also open source. And this is great because developers can take that source code and modify it, share it, improve it, because it's all open source, public. But that's not all. People aren't just hyped because it's so capable and free and open source. It doesn't end there. Apparently, DeepSeek's R1 model was made in around 2 months with $6 million. If that's true, that's insane, because look at the other AI companies. They've put in billions of dollars into this and are supposed to put in even more. So the fact that this company did all that with such little resources comparatively, it's crazy. So I think you can imagine being a big tech company dominating the AI market, and then comes along DeepSeek, a model that not only achieves similar performance, but it did it with fewer resources, offers it for free, and is open source. That is literally bound to make some headlines. Alright, so what does all this mean for us as users? Well, if you're a power user that needs those extra capabilities, you'll probably be able to save some money. But to be honest, for me, I use AI for very basic things. Asking some questions, generating a summary of a long document occasionally, so basic things. And realistically, that doesn't change the way I use AI no matter the company, at least for now. What's 100% clear though is that the competition in the AI space is heating up. That's probably a good thing for consumers. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about all of this in the comments below, as well as if you have any questions or things that I may have missed. And as always, if you liked this video, then like it, and if you loved it, then subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.